I think I got that fixed now. Hmm. Oh, there we go. Now it's showing it. Sweet, no more echo. Okay, so I just need to modify one of these risers here so I can hold two different versions, so shouldn't be too bad. The CAD here is always in my lap, so let's see. Get rid of the text here for now, anyways. We already know it'll fit this guy, so we just need to basically put this one on there, make it a little bit bigger. Which will be interesting. We have to get rid of all these fillets for now. Do those again later. All right. Got a piece of paper because there's no way I'm gonna remember all these numbers. One thing that's fun about fusion measuring is you have to select faces. You can't select a face or an edge. So that's always really fun. So just writing on my piece of paper. All right, we already know this one fits. Should double check one thing just to make sure I got the right layout. All right. So now we got that, now we can go through and start editing my horrible sketch here. Yeah, okay, that's what I was kind of nervous of. That should still work out, actually. Yeah, okay. This is gonna look really funny. Let's see. Okay. It's always interesting going back and seeing what you did. Like, oh wait, how did I actually do that? Alright. Okay, we got that. 1.5. You can do math in these boxes, which is nice. Minus 1.5. Alright, so now we got that. I'm hoping I can just trim all this stuff. Oh, yep, okay, we want to trim that. Delete these ones though. Alright. Now we just need another one that is 1 millimeter. I'm just gonna do an offset. Always makes it way easier than doing a bunch of math. We're gonna get rid of these guys. Alright. Could leave the center box. Yeah, we'll adjust it. We don't want to. No need to waste that kind of filament there. Oh, what's going on here? Where'd you come from? Interesting. Alright, 13.5. Take out my trusty calculator. Alright, should be 174. We'll see if how good I am with the math. Oh boy. Interesting. Make a new one. Whenever you're adjusting stuff you already did, sometimes it's just, this is how it goes. That's funny. The top one is off, but just a little bit, but it's fine. Doesn't really matter. Oh, not too bad. Sometimes they get way more messed up than this. Turn on our sketch here so I can see what exactly is happening. That's interesting. Oh, I think I see what I did. Doesn't really matter, we're just gonna do another extrude, but save this one so I can open the other one just to make sure everything looks good. confusing myself. That's always fun. Okay. We're gonna need this here. $68. Oh yeah, we need 70. So I think what I'm gonna do, oh, I forgot to adjust this. That would make sense. Do 74. Never actually tried to just pull stuff around like that. That's interesting. So this is where, if I would have just started with a sketch to begin with instead of modifying something, it wouldn't have to be moving all this stuff around. So now, since like nothing's really constrained, it's gonna give me a little bit of issues here. This might not work, but we will see. Okay, perfect. Good enough. Doesn't need to be right on. 72, that's what we want. Kind of looks, is it the 32.889? Yep, that's what I thought. I really don't want to start over, but we might have to. Oh, wait, hold on. A better idea. Alright, so we got that. So now what I'm going to do, make a construction line. We'll have to adjust this a little bit, but at least this will give me a starting point. Go 36. Cool, it's only off by half. Oh, we want +1, not -1. Uh, Actually, you know what? I might be able just to do another offset, actually. 15.5. Oh, yeah. See, doing stuff for like a third time, you start to figure out how to do it faster. Definitely no expert in Fusion, that's for sure. That's what I was a little nervous of. Don't really want that. Had to fix that. Hmm. Didn't fix it. Interesting. Uh-oh. We got the WoW streamer in here. It was hard not to wear the hat, you know. Feels weird without it, but I need to figure out why my sketch is not working exactly how I'd like it. Well, that's interesting. Oh, hold on. Maybe I need to select this also. Nope, that's not it. What if I... Oh, we definitely need that. It's interesting the headphones can just shut themselves off. Uh, it'll become clear in a second. Someone reached out and they want to hold like two different. I'll show you real quick. So we got this guy already. And what this does is it will hold. Do I have the body still in here? I do not. You can put, like, you can stack up the drink mix holders already made. So you can put like two of these in line on there so that way you don't have to print like a whole holder this size and waste all this space when you can just print this guy. And if you already have printed two of these, now you can have them like back to back. Hold on, I'll put one in here and I'll show you. Last time I made these, I didn't have to have these hybrid. There we go. Just want the drink mix holder. So you have this guy in here. I had to turn on. Oh wow, it didn't even save my section analysis. That's fun. Well, anyways, we're just gonna throw that on there. Then we'll duplicate this one. Yeah, I want to create a copy. So it goes something like this. The space mouse is interesting to get used to. This little guy can move all around the screen. Oh boy, we're hitting buttons. But yeah, so they wanted a version like this, but just with being able to put this bigger one in front of it, which is for like the liquid IV. So that's why this one has this big old flange in the front. Oh boy. Dude, the space mouse, like it's so expensive, but like things like this or some of these other hold on, I'll just show you an example of when it was really helpful. Is like when I made this guy, trying to rotate this around and select all these ribs I put in here with just using zoom, control and moving and all that stuff. It just sucked where like just being able to sit here and spin it around and select all these was really nice. But I don't think it's worth the money unless you're going to be just sitting here constantly doing CAD work. Because like there's even times where I'm just making a simple like box and I don't need to be moving around that much. Now I got to figure out what the fuck I did wrong here. It's off by like not that much, but I want it to be fixed. Left hand. You could really use whatever hand you want. Like this is the Bluetooth one. It's got these buttons on the side, but I really don't use them. Because basically, like, still use my right hand to select stuff. It's really just for navigating. Yeah, that's true. Definitely could save some money. Or, save on the old wrist. Oh boy, we're moving now. We don't want to be moving. There's just a slight mismatch here that I gotta fix. See, that's good. Okay, I must just have something selected to where it's giving that mismatch. Yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna have to do is trim the lines down. It makes sense. The math is working out to where it should be perfect, but we'll just cut the lines off. The only reason why I want to get rid of it is so when I go to use the fillet tool here, I guess, we're just gonna leave it. That actually hit it, so we're good. Because I want it to be a 3mm radius, just like what's on the base of these. Well, I had to modify this one. They're getting a little too big to just throw like a radius. So I had to do the whole chamfer into a radius. Oh boy, to kind of fake it. Because like this one would definitely have like elephant's foot down here. Boom. Okay, we're just gonna leave that. So we got that. Now we just gotta get true. Now I just need to figure out how much higher it needs to go. I still have my paper. You gotta have the paper. I can't just remember all these numbers in my head. Okay, 84. So now what's cool about Fusion is I'm just gonna import these, just see how far off they are. After we changed it to hybrid, now they did that. Okay. Not too much. Like, I'd like to make parametric designs like of these since everyone asks for so many different sizes, but that's something I have to like just teach myself eventually. But like I've used it for a couple things. Oh, we're gonna have to go 36 and a half. Should go up to. Perfect. See, as a machinist, I'm sitting here looking at this and I want this to be like spot on, but it's pointless to try to get it that perfect. Then we'll add just a drink mix holder, the OG. Oh no, it's not gonna be a half. Oh yeah, I was watching someone design something that was doing it that way, and I like that way a lot more, like naming it too, like side of box, so that way it's easy to know what he's changing when he's actually editing the parameters. Yeah, I think that's the one right there. We're kind of doing some blendering right now instead of like how I'm usually working, where I would measure this angle and get it perfect, but this doesn't need to be perfect. Analysis. So we just got to go 10 and a half more on that extrusion. Plus 10.5. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Yeah, certified good enough, true. See, this one I have a lot closer with the tolerance. I should almost, instead of, well, I think we're just going to go with it. Because I think this is like a half a millimeter, where the other one I added a millimeter. Not like anyone's really going to notice. Yeah, that's half a millimeter. Let's see, turn off analysis. Oh yeah. See, to me it would kind of bother me that it's not like the same width, right? But that's what the nice person asked for, so that's what we're gonna go with. I guess at least it looks uniform having it in the center. Now my favorite part, adding all these fillets. How did I do it on this one? I gotta actually look at this real quick. Oh yeah, seeing stuff like this, like when you're selecting all these to make fillets, this is when the space mouse really shines. I just need to get faster with it. Like I said, I don't think it's really worth the $200, but I got a decent amount off because I had Amazon points, so. Oh boy, we're getting out of hand. Oh yeah, grouping them by size or like I guess locations, because all these are going to be 3 millimeter about, because that's what the radiuses are, or I guess the fillets, but that's what all of them are on the outside here. But see, I've also learned that you have to do them in certain orders or else everything goes to shit. Oh, I wonder how this one's actually going to look interesting. Let's see real quick. Yeah, okay, that is kind of the issue with leaving that. I don't want it to look like that. Okay, we're gonna have to we're gonna try to trim that sketch. Let's see what happens if I just trim this line. Interesting. Trim that one. We'll see how bad I just made it. Oh boy. Okay. We don't need that one selected. This is probably like overlooking the simplest solution right now. Oh, I bet you if I just delete those corners there, that'll probably do it. Because then that'll give me a nice perimeter to select. See, I don't remember what this one was. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so this has to be this perimeter around here. Wow, it's still giving that. Oh boy. Well, we'll see what it looks like. Oh yeah, since those are deleted now, there's no way to separate it, so put these back. Oh, we're just gonna go with it actually. I can come down here and I can make this fillet. Yeah, it'll be fine. It's always fun trying to get like it to select through something. And what I'll do, perfect. Like the way that looks more. See, like, why is it not? Sometimes, like, so you can grab it there. Sometimes it's like perfect and just grabs the line you want through the wall. Sometimes not so much. Oh boy, getting out of hand. Yeah, maybe we'll make these ones a little bit bigger. Hmm. So one of my favorite things is being able to come down here, select the whole bottom. 1mm chamfer. Easy. Is there any? I know I put a fillet on the. I can't have it be too much. Maybe we can get away with half. Yeah, that'll do it. Boom. I think that's it. I think we're done. Turn these back on real quick. I have to remember what half a millimeter is in imperial. I think it's like 15 thousandths. Oh, 20. See how we looking this way. Boom. Don't really like the sketch or the text on Fusion. Sure looks. Oh, why is it not center? That bothers me. It's not center. Oh, 9. Yeah, it's super annoying. Some stamps. Is it? Oh, yeah, that's right. That's what I did last time. I think I just counted the boxes. So we'll just go 5 boxes, whatever. Doesn't need to be perfect. Oh boy. That's like I know what I'm doing. Oh boy. Just kidding. I don't know what I'm doing. We don't know how to count boxes. Can I adjust this? This to be bold. Oh, oh, okay. I didn't know I could do that. Let's see. Maybe I can just put it at an angle now. All right. Well, we're gonna redo that. I'm just gonna make a construction box. Well, not 19, 16.9. Oh, what does 6 millimeter look like? 7? Oh, too much. Maybe 6.5. I like that. Boom. All right. Minus 0.5. Boom. We did it. Need like some confetti to fly everywhere. Alright, we'll save that. One thing I'm wondering about this, right, is every time I export these, I use a step file, and I'm wondering if that's a bad move. Because everyone always says STL is the best way to protect like your intellectual property, but when you export as a step file, it act like these radiuses and everything comes out really nice. Yeah, that's true. If like I was gonna upload this file just to be sold, then I probably would use a step file or a STL. I gotta figure out where my hands are going. Yeah, I like the step file too. Like if someone wanted to take this and modify it, it's not like it's gonna annoy me or anything. Because it's not, there's no way that something like this is gonna generate enough income to like make me even worried about it. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, if I like took like I don't know 2 days to make some sort of dragon or something, I probably would have that as a STL. Where this is just a functional thing. Probably should go turn my machine on. Be back. All right, we've returned. I should move this. Is that too much? Oh, 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 oh. Oh yeah. Much rather share this stuff, that's for sure. It's more fun that way. Let's see. Make sure this guy's turned on. Oh, it's connected. I know it is. Oh, it's because I'm trying to. It's odd having two printers on here because, like, you think that it would be more fluid than it is, but not really. Okay. Tool. This might actually be a longer print than I'm thinking. Seam aligned. Probably should just save this as default at this point, but let's see. Yeah, so this is another thing too. They want me to like constantly sync, which I guess makes sense to make sure you got all the right stuff in there, but okay, 2 hours, that's not bad. I mean, that might even be a little too much infill there, but I'd like for it to have some weight. That'll turn out fine. Yeah, 80, that's not bad. Boom, we're just gonna print it. I can grab the live feed right from the X2D and like put it into OBS and just basically live stream this printing all day. It's not as smooth though as if I just screen capture, but then I basically can't use the computer. Get that like that. All right, gonna end this one. Then maybe I'll just live stream the yeah, the mini PC for a stream. That'd be sweet. I'm gonna end this stream so then that way I have like a VOD that I can make shorts out of.